Hello guys, we're back with another video, and today we will be opening Fidget Cube. This is the box, if you guys are wondering what it looks like. Yeah, let's open it. Whoa. This is Fidget Cube. Oh. So it has a click, and it has a soothing stone. Oh, that feels so good. Gears, clicking ball, a spin thing. This one's the real version because it has 2 silent ones and 3 loud ones. So cool. This is the rest of the box. Nothing. That's everything in the box. And yeah, this is the real Fidget Cube. And that's cool. Oh, it is so cool. I got the camel version, so it looks really cool. And yeah, so cool. So guys, that was the video. I hope I guys see you next time. And yeah, here's the gears. This one clicks. There's the gears. And yeah, see you guys next time.